Hey you guys, Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a fun video and one of my best friends here on YouTube and actually one of my best friends in life, Brittany Tolberg, she sent me a ginormous box to my front door and I told her that I was going to go ahead and do an unboxing. And let me tell you guys, I have never met Brittany in person, but she literally is my soul sister. That's what we text message each other. That's our title with each other, is that we are soul sisters, because this girl knows what I'm thinking before I even text her. So we pretty much have the same thoughts going on in our mind, and we will text each other literally the same exact things. And she, whenever I need some sort of motivation or uplifting, she's the girl I go to. And I tell this girl pretty much everything. You name it, I've talked to her about it. It's so great to have friends like Brittany in your life, because you need people. You need to surround yourself with people that you trust 100% and can say anything to, because you need those people to let out all the craziness that goes on in life. So you need a Brittany Tolberg in your life. And I am so incredibly blessed that I have my Brittany Tolberg in my life. I am just so blown away by this girl every single day. So if you guys are wondering who is Brittany Tolberg, she also has a YouTube channel. Wow, Brittany, you really take this up. She has a YouTube channel here and she does couponing, but what sets her aside from the couponing pack is the fact that she does reselling as well. So she does eBay hauls, she'll do sourcing hauls, and she'll also do what's sold on eBay, and she also does the Dollar Tree, and she's also a very talented hairstylist. So anytime that I am going to get my hair done, I don't do anything before consulting her. I always consult her. I'm pretty sure she kind of swallowed, I'm pretty sure she gulped every single time I told her I was going to Ulta so I can earn rewards points. She definitely let that go for quite some time, and then when I told her about my horrific experience at Ulta, then she's like, yeah girl, that's why you don't go to Ulta. Okay, open on the other side. So this side, I love you, hashtag soul sister. I love this. I love this so much, Brittany. I love that you took the time out of your day to think about me, and yeah, I'm just so incredibly excited. So excited. And that's why I wanted to go ahead and do this video, because I also want Brittany to be able to watch this video and have my candid reactions of me opening this box. So I am so excited, Brittany. Oh my goodness. I love you. I love you. Happy delayed birthday and beyond, soul sister. Oh my goodness. She's too much. Bubble wrap. Okay. Some Skittles. You got me sugar, because now I can eat it. Some trolley gummies. Oh, there's so much stuff in here. It's amazing. Oh, are these for Sawyer to put in his hair? Oh, he's going to be so excited for that. Oh, and the princess. Miss Princess will get her stickers as well. Oh, those kids are going to love it. Alrighty, so we have a Real Techniques, oh this is cool, Real Techniques Miracle Sponge. I have never seen this before. I am really excited to give this a go. I have never seen this, and it's shaped as a diamond. That's cool. Love it. And my birthstone is diamond. A pineapple mug. This is so cute. So cute. Pink and gold pineapple mug. Yes. Where did you find this, Brittany? And you wrapped everything so cute. Oh, yay! Head scarves. I love these. Yay! You know I love these head wraps. And we have some face masks. It's Let's Glow face masks. And also a Bolero face mask. I've never tried Bolero face mask, so I'm excited about that. Oh, this is perfect. Yawn is a silent scream for coffee. Yes. All right, and we also have a pink body spray. It's ginger, lily, and crushed leaves. Oh, this is gonna smell so good. So, so good. And we also have a pink hand cream, and this is in Honey Blossom. Oh, you hauled this from your Victoria's Secret haul. And then also the pineapple mug, and it's a big mug, so that's gonna allow me to have tons and tons of coffee, so yay. These are fun, fun goodies. I'm so excited. I couldn't decide on one scent, so I mixed. I hope you have a burner. Okay. A burner. Type of burner. Like a wax smell? I have a wax smell. Yes, I have a wax smell. What is this? Oh, pink zebra. My cousin-in-law does this. Yes, I do have a burner. I do. I do. And actually, I put these at the bottom of my diaper genie too, because it helps with the scent in the diaper genie. And I also put these in the vacuum because it helps with like scent and everything. So yay. Oh, these smell so good. Pink zebra. I love these. You did not know that I love those. Alrighty. And we have another mug. This is cute. We have some, oh my gosh, this is so freaking cute. I can put my makeup brushes in this. Yes. Okay, so we have some makeup brushes. This is the Crown 3-piece brush set. Brittany, oh my God. Okay, and Stroke of Light Luminous Eye Brightener sample, awesome. Oh, no way, the Chocolate Soleil Bronzer. I do not have this. This is gonna be so amazing. I do not have a Too Faced bronzer. I just don't. Oh, and it smells like chocolate. Yes, smells like chocolate. Smells like chocolate. Hold on, Brittany. Let me get your nephew. Here he is, Brittany. Here he is. We got your nephew involved in this video now. Here, let's not hide your handsome face, son. Okay, and then, oh, this is my favorite. This is literally my favorite, Brittany. The Tarte Pro Glow Liquid Illuminator. This is my favorite liquid illuminizer. Thank you. And we have another hand cream. Yay! Oh, this is gonna be so cute for my makeup brushes. I love this so much. Thank you, Brittany. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we have some bath bombs. Yes. This is Palm Tree Please. And then we have Vacay Vibes. Yes, I need a vacation. I need a vacation. And then we have some Revive Rosemary Mint Bath Melts. This is gonna be so great because I do take my baths in the nighttime. Oh, Scarlett's gonna love this. The Magic Towel, Princess Belle. Oh, and then Brittany told me about these. Tanner, these are for you. These are gentle soap-filled sponges, and she hauled these from the Dollar Tree, and she was so excited when she found these. So these are gonna be for Mr. Tan Man. Can you say thank you, Tanner? He's got hiccups. Tanner has the hiccups. Tanner has the hiccups. And then we have another one, Tanner. Yay! Okay. Oh, and we have one for Mr. Sawyer for the bath. Aw, did you get me a towel? Thank you. Thank you. Oh, this is so good. So, so good. All right, and then we have some more face masks. About Last Night. Oh, man. Oh, man, I've had one of those. Hit Reset. Yes. Oh, and she did not fail to stock me up on my stationery. Brittany stocked me up on my stationery. Thank you. So we have the pad that says adulting and a notebook that says think happy thoughts. I am so excited that you're replenishing me with my notebook collection. No prob, llama. That's cute. Oh, yay. And the pineapple. And the pages have pineapples on them too. Imagine, Dream, Believe, and Donut Worry, and Wild Free. Oh, this is awesome. I love that. I love that so much. Thank you, Brittany. Oh, and this must be for Miss Scarlett. This is her mermaid. Let's be mermaids. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, and the dogs are back. The dogs are home too. And then we have a pineapple tote. Oh yes, and a bag for my dirty undies. Thank you. I needed a bag for my dirty undies. I needed a bag for my dirty undies. Oh my goodness. I was literally about to buy this, Brittany. Shut up. I was literally about to buy this. The Semi-Precious ColourPop eyeshadow palette. Thank you so much, Brittany. Oh my God. I am so, you spoiled me rotten. You spoiled me rotten. What do you think, Tanner? Tanner says, Mom, I'm hungry. That's what he's telling me. He says, Mom, I'm hungry. Brittany, thank you so much for all of this amazing stuff. I did not deserve any of this stuff. Thank you so much for being such an awesome friend to me. I am so incredibly spoiled by you, and I am so incredibly grateful by you as well, and you will be my soul sister forever. You're stuck with me, girl. So thank you so much for thinking of me and sending all of this amazing stuff to me. I am so incredibly excited, and I cannot wait to hop into the bath later and use these bath bombs. And I am so, you spoiled me rotten. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. Tanner loves you. Fun fact, I was updating Brittany Tolberg daily the last 2 weeks before Tanner was born. Like, we were talking about cervix. I was talking to her about me checking my own cervix. I was talking to her about anything and everything about birth, and it was just like a play-by-play. Every single day I would tell her, you know, how wide my cervix was and everything. So immediately when I would get out of the doctor's office, I would text her before I would even call my husband. Like, that's how close Brittany Tolberg and I are. So thank you. You know I love you, and when I am in Northern Virginia next, I will be making a drive up to Maryland to see you. Girl, you're going to do my hair, so. Baby Tanner loves you. Baby Tanner loves his Aunt Brittany. Tanner, can you say bye, Aunt Britt? Bye-bye, Aunt Britt. Say bye-bye. If you guys are not subscribed to Brittany Tolberg, I will have her channel link in the description box below. Definitely go and check her out and let her know that I sent you, and she is just amazing. So I'm going to go ahead and end this video, and I will talk to everyone later. Bye. Tanner, can you say bye? Can you blow a kiss? Mwah.